And the lighting is like really bad because I have this window back here and like a light here. I'm doing my best with what I have. I'm just gonna be showing you guys my messy everyday makeup routine. I say messy because I don't do my makeup in the right way, I guess. Like, it's just, I just am kind of all over the place with my makeup. Also, sorry about the train. That's gonna be going by about every 10 seconds in this video. So I have eye problems, so I'm gonna put in my eye drops. And then I'm gonna put on some moisturizer. I use like 4 different ones depending on the day, but I think right now I'm gonna use my Lush cosmetic lad thing. Now I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream in Vanilla 02 because I am pale. I saw Corinna Kopf use this one. Corinna Kopf. Use this one. And I'm kind of in love with her, so I bought it too. I also just started using this too, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I used to use the Tarte Shape Tape, but I had realized that I've been using the same bottle of concealer, tube, same thing of concealer, since my 17th birthday, which is now over 2.5 years ago. Probably shouldn't be using the same tube of concealer for 2.5 years, so I was like, I'm gonna get a different one. And Corinna also uses this concealer, and I was like, okay, I'll just be Corinna Kopf, I guess. So yeah, I just put this like under my eyes on any pimples, and then I have like, I don't think it's rosacea, I don't know what it is, but hyperpigmentation. I have that between my eyebrows. So I just put that on there. And then I use the e.l.f. pressed powder thing, and this brush that I probably haven't cleaned in 4 years. But I just put this like under my eyes, and then like on my bottom half of my face here, because I like put my hand on my face a lot and I don't want to rub my makeup off, so I just put that down there, and then on my forehead like that. And then I use this CoverGirl blush. I don't know, I got this like a year ago, so I can't even see what it says on it, but I use this as both eyeshadow and blush. So I take like a mix of the lighter 2 colors, and I just put that in my crease. And then I used to use like a different brush for this, but I think I left it at home, so I'm just using the little brush that came in the thing. I use mainly the middle color, but also a little bit of the other one, and I put it like there. I don't know, I just think it looks cute. I think it's cute. And if I'm looking like really close into the mirror, it's because I don't have my contacts in yet, and I'm blind. Now I'm just using this little brow pomade thing that I found in Target. I don't know, it's called Arches and Halos Luxury Brow Building Pomade. It says luxury, but like it's only like 10 bucks. So many like makeup people are like, yeah, so I just like fill in my arch a little bit and then I'm done. And I'm like, no, I do my entire eyebrow. Like, because this shape is not cute, so we gotta do something about that. And then I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. I've also had this for like 8 months now, but it still does the thing. I just brush my eyebrows straight up. I know some people don't like the fluffy brow look, but we do in this house, so that's what I'm doing. And now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put on mascara. This is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored. I don't like it that much. I prefer either like the Clump Crusher or just the orange one, whatever that one is. Or the purple one, honestly. I prefer all other CoverGirl mascaras over this one, apparently. I just don't like the, like, I prefer a plastic wand over, like, the furry one, because it separates your eyelashes more and makes them less clumpy. But, you know, this one is still, it does the thing. My eyelash curler is also disgusting, I'm sorry. So now I think my right eye looks too dark, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on the left. But now they both just look clumpy, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I probably got this over 4 years ago, but I found it in my makeup while I was home for winter break, so now I'm using it. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick Highlight. I just put this where you put highlight. On your cheekbone, right there, on the nose, and then I also put it like above my eyebrows on my forehead right there for a little extra glow action, and then I just blend it in with my finger. Don't know why I started singing that. Now I'm taking a Q-tip. These are eco-friendly, biodegradable ones. Suck on it for a minute, and then use my saliva to get all the mascara off my eyelids. And then, because apparently I'm a Visco girl now, I just spray the Mario Badescu stuff all over my face. And that's my makeup. Oh wait, I need to put in my contacts. My right eye is negative 5.5 and my left eye is negative 5.75. If you were curious which ones I'm using. No, but like maybe that's just me, but I'm always curious like when people put in their contacts like what their prescription is. Maybe it's just because I'm competitive and I'm like, I bet my eyes are worse than yours. The Aries rising jumped out for a second. And now we are done with the makeup. There we go. That's my face, very up close. That is my everyday makeup, so I'm gonna, yeah. Also, I am filming this while filming my morning routine, so don't know which video is going up first, probably this one, but yeah, if this one goes up first, morning routine coming soon. If that one goes up first, go check it out. Yeah, that's it for this video. I don't know what else to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.